Compiling data between multiple departments in a transit agency can be a headache. How can you collect, organize, and share data across departments to make informed decisions? With over 20 years in transit management, built by industry expert transportation consultants, TransTrack Solutions Group has the business intelligence, data management, and reporting tools for you. Importing data from all your systems and replacing spreadsheets with our central repository for easy access for multiple users, data sharing combining, and customized data reporting. Our software offers over 350 built-in reports and generates over 270 KPIs. Wield our suite of solutions to take the guesswork out of day-to-day operations reporting by using our tools to make data-driven decisions. TransTrack allows you to complete 95% of your national transit database reporting with just one click. Our solutions include reporting for passenger data, operations data, maintenance data, customer feedback data, personnel data, financial data, and safety data. And keep tabs on the health of your fleet and facilities to proactively address maintenance and service needs. Our customer support team is here for you when your system isn't working. The numbers aren't what you expect, you don't understand the data, or you need assistance with responding to an audit. Our team knows your data inside and out. TransTrack Solutions Group. Better data, better decisions. Request a demo today.